Hello, and today I'm going to be modding Tricky Madness. It's probably going to suck. Alright, let's get to it. So I previously modded it with, that's the wrong page. With the older demo version, but I want to make it so it can load the levels in the new version. Okay. Alright, let's set up the development environment. So I'll go here. I've already got it pre-set up, but I want to get a new plugin set up. Okay. Okay, so I gotta determine the Unity version. So if I go to this one, okay, let's see. Game data managed net standard. Let's pin this one to quick access for the moment. Yep, okay. Alright, I've got an old one I'm going to be just taking majority of the code from, really. No point in, like, redoing everything. Yep. Publish. Folder. Next. Normally I wouldn't do this, but just for ease of development, let's put it straight into plugins folder. .NET 2, yep. Unity core module could not identify the What does that even mean? I had this issue before. I think I had to go to a different version. Alright, you know what? I'm just going to open the previous project. What's it building to, though? Oh, .NET Standard 2.1. Why is it going to 2.1? Right, here's what I'll do. I'll try the... Yep. Uses .NET Standard 2.1. Okay. Fine. Publish. Data. Plugins. Publish. That says it published, so let's start the game now. It loaded. Alright, sweet. Now I'm trying to mod Tricky Madness. I'm gonna mod Tricky Madness to the load levels, but since it's a different build, I gotta do it all again. What can I quickly grab? Let's grab this, because I'll need the folder. Save. Add tracks. I think tracks are handled differently in this version. Let's have a look. Let's close that. Unity, new projects, decompile, DNS spy. Alright, let's see how it handles level loading first, because I think it does it slightly differently. Race entry. Register characters. Register levels. Okay. Yeah, it's been ages since I last streamed. It's private void. Where's it been called from? Okay, this should be easy enough to just add a thing on top of it. I'll have to load the assembly for this. Add a project reference. Browse. No, that's the old one. Data managed. .NET. That's standard. References. I want to start a bit fresh. Okay. That do .NET standard. Okay. Okay, now it's throwing errors. Why is it doing this? Oh, that's the wrong assembly. That's why. Add project reference. Yeah, what I'm gonna do first is just get my old level solution working, so I can get like the previous levels I made, so the tricky ones, to load in this game. But he switched the developer switched the Unity versions, so I have to do it slightly differently. Assembly, that's what I want. Okay. Okay, let's steal a few methods from my old one. So we'll do patching. Alright, let's get rid of that. Alright. Okay, so for DNS Spy, it says this is part of Menu Manager. So what I have to do then is swap this to Menu Manager. And then register levels. Public register, public void register level. I'll just copy this name. I'm gonna mess this up otherwise. Yep. static. Okay. Now what I need to do is get the main menu object, which at least at a glance it appears I can just do it the same way. Actually, it is an instance, so I might not need to get the object. Public static menu manager. I should probably do this somewhere else, but I just sort of want to get it working. Alright. This is where I hope. It's a class. Register straight to the class? What kind of class is this? What's this a part of? Is it just a... Find. Sorry, analyze. Am I just blind then? I am blind. There it is. Oh, it's a static void. Okay, okay. In that case, I can just call it from anywhere. Oh, that should make this very easy. I'll have to change how it's pulling levels then, because I think, yeah, get level count, get entry, index. Yeah, I'll have to hook into the level loading function, but I can get this to work, I'm fairly certain. Okay, okay. So let's go back to menu manager. Where is it? I am completely blind. Where is it? Menu manager there. No, standard models and all that. He hasn't used NURBS as far as I understand. Name test. Float. Yep. Actually, let's keep this forest. Yep. Alright, and then publish. It won't load the level, but I want to confirm that I can just do this. Because if I can just do this, it'll make everything much easier than having to hopelessly stitch together my own level sort of thing. And it's frozen. Why is it frozen? Oh, there we go. It's loaded. Hey! Okay. UI easy to hook into. That's just gonna load the... Yeah, okay. Okay. UI hook done. Easy. That's probably only gonna be like the easiest thing to do. Alright. So what I'll have to do is I'll leave this as test, but I'll have to come up with a custom way to load it. So level test. What was the scene name? What I'll do is, instead of remaking the level maker, because that might cause a few issues, I'll just drop it straight in. If as long as it loads, dropping this straight in should be fine. Plugins. Why the fuck is this all here? Oh, because I'm just publishing straight to the thing. That's fine. That's fine. I'll just leave all that. I'll clean it up later. Level hook. Only one plugin. Okay, so does it not pick it up? Level hook is loaded. Okay, so that's not working. Because I'm fairly certain if I open the old project, it's I added hook, not maker. Two separate projects. That is the wrong folder. This one, plugins, paste. Oh no, I added maker. Okay, it just means I have to make a new project. No. Save. Okay. Mods, maker, open. Alright. Okay, I know. Oh, it doesn't contain. Oh, that's right. That's fine. It doesn't contain a script to prompt it's loaded. So I removed all that. Okay, this should be fine anyway. I need to update it anyway. Folder. Just build. TM Pro. Missing assembly references, probably. Text Mesh Pro. Okay, that's fine. What am I looking for? Add. I get lost every time. Dependencies. Add project reference. Browse. Text Mesh Pro. Okay. Build. Open. Yep, DLL, copy, plugins. There you go. Okay. So, Maker's updated to the latest version. So, I'll just close it now because I don't think I need it open. I don't need that. Yep. Alright. Should report 2 plugins loaded. Only 1 plugin. That's fine. We'll just ignore that for the moment. I know why. Because I need to get the Maker to reference it. Yeah. That's what I was doing before. Okay. Mods, level goals, level look new. Did I have the referencing it? Assemblies. I did. Assemblies. Okay, that's fine. Add project reference. Browse. In this case, I'm just going to here. Level maker. Okay. Did I call it for any reason? I remember calling it, but I don't think I actually ended up doing that. Doing patching. Buttons. I don't need any of this button stuff. I might need start load. Alright, let's step through this for a sec. Select level, okay. So yeah, if you do that, it clears the race entries, creates new ones. Alright, so this is for the races. We can ignore that for the moment. So load scene. I can put something before the load scene, this load scene, and that should make that work. Wait until loading is done. Break. Okay, yeah, that's pretty straightforward. So I'm guessing the first thing that loads is level manager. So it loads it, sets this scene as the active scene. So what I can do is make a call before level loading in order to load asset pack. Okay, level manager. What do I need to do in level manager? So this makes the entire player. So as long as I add the level manager to main object, no, this spawned in the active scene. Okay, so that, as long as I add level manager, it will add everything else. But how does it decide where the player spawns? Respawn label. Paths parent, divide is parent, paths offset, competence multiplier. Okay. So what about for the player then? Start gate position. So I have to add the start gate position. Okay. I'll have to look into what AI does, but for now I'll just ignore it. AI has its own starting parents and okay. So this one's much straightforwarder than what I was doing before. I think what I can do is I can give it a custom so for the scene name, I think what I can do is I can give it a custom parameter, so I'll be like that custom, so it'll be a $, the asset pack name. So actually I might not need the asset pack name. Because I think I gave it a custom thing. This is game dev. Tricky Maddness. Next Fest mod. Windows custom map. .asset. This is the one that works, right? .asset. Yeah, so I can just give it a .asset, so it can be cd.asset and then whatever the scene name is. Actually, maybe in this case just city.asset, so I can detect if it's got the $, then it knows, then I can just write a function so it'll load the asset pack and then update the scene name to be correct. Because level entries is a static class, isn't it, with just a list inside it. Oh, it's a private list. Because I can't initially load all the asset packs to find out the scene names. So... Okay, I'll just have to update the list then. There's a function for that. Let me pull the old one. Okay. So what do you have to do? I think it's that. I think that is actually how you get it. Let me check. So in this case, main menu should be private. Oh wait, it is level entry, last level entry. If it pulls it into here and then loads from there, I might be able to just do that instead. Here. No, it passes level entry through to load scene. I'll have to add a function to unload level to unload the asset pack as well. Okay. Select level. Doesn't even come from here. Where does it come from? This can't be used by nowhere. Oh, it's in another function, isn't it? Oh, it's called by the buttons. Okay. I'm just gonna have to pull. Does I need to restore the list afterward? So I'll have to pull the entry, update it, let it load, and then set it back. Okay. Let's... So... New level loads, unload level... Level appears? Start mode. I don't really want to do what I'm doing here because this is not a good way to do it. I'll leave it like that. Okay. Okay. So I don't need. I need you. I don't need that. Okay, so I need to load the tracks. So I'll re-app this one. Add tracks beforehand. Nope. I don't need this one. Track names. Because I'm too lazy doing it this way. Okay, so this will load the list, add the details. Yep. Okay. Okay. Um. Okay. Okay, I think I can just do that, though I'm not entirely sure. Still that. Do I just need to have it like that then? Did I get the name wrong? Level no argument that given correspondence required. Do I need an underscore? No, prefix. How do I patch this? Oh, I suck at this so much. I think I have to patch it in a different method than this one. Let me try. Is it not type? Or am I just reading this article wrong? Alright, it should just throw an error when trying to load for this case.
I know only the good team
Saying city asset could not be found. Okay, that didn't work. Yeah. Oh. Oh. What on earth happened here? Failed to patch. Select level. Level entry not found and okay. I don't need that patch twice. Okay. Okay, it patched. Well, it didn't throw an error, at least. Scene test could not be loaded. Yes! Okay. 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 Alright. Okay. If... Alright. If, level entry dot... scene name, contains... $, and then do all this. And then do all this. Okay. So should plug in. I should be able to remove paths. Because I want to get the tracks and then register levels. Okay, so if it's not needed, unload level, I don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. I need the bit to unload the asset pack. This. It's inaccessible due to protection. I'm just gonna work out. I more than likely don't need that anymore. No. I need the. I might need those actually. Okay, if it contains $sign and load that one. Else if the loaded one does not equal this one, then I'll unload it and unload the new one. Yep. Okay. See name. Load track, and then I have to edit the level entry to scene name equals scene path 0. That should do it. Alright, so what am I loading? City. I'll copy and paste all of these just because I might need them. Yep, I made the directory. I think in injecting all these in here is causing a few issues loading. That's fine, I'll fix that later. Alright. So regular level should load. Not able to find scene. Hook. Why not? It shouldn't be changing it. Don't know how I'm gonna get update those, but I'll figure it out. How am I gonna update it? I did push, did I not? Publish, close. This one, Tricky Maddness. That's go that. Yep, okay. Right, my control's not working. Quit. Mine. Unable to find file archive. Oh, that's because I'm loading it with a $sign. Just for ease, I can pass as a character, can't I? No. Remove. Just replace. $sign with nothing. Can I not do that? Empty character is literal. Can I just do that? I don't want to do substring. Trim start. Can I just do that? Yeah, I'll do it. Publish. Tricky Maddness. Just because. Failed to open file archive. Why? Oh, I'm not feeding it the correct path like an idiot. Okay. For feeding it the correct path, what am I doing here? Oh, I am literally just grabbing the path. Okay. So, just for the moment, I'll hot patch it. I'll just patch it so it, not the correct method, but I'll just patch it so it does it instantly without me having to, so track names. Okay. Track names. Scene name. I'll keep the $sign. The $sign, just because it's unique enough that it will mean. I won't get this confused in the future. Paths. Then I'll trim it and autofix it. Okay. think that worked. Yeah, nothing's happening, so that would have had to work. Okay, I'm loading levels. Okay. So, what I need to do now is... that's done. Relatively. So, I'll have to add level manager to the main object and ensure to add a start gate position. Okay. Let's pull up my old ones. So this one here. I'll probably do this in the thing. Okay, I'll need an unload level just to unload the data, the asset pack. But I don't want to do that right now. I don't want to do this as well. Like, this one should already be handled now. I shouldn't need to touch that. Okay, so what I'll need to do... There, I'll need this one. Find any object of maker spawn. Ooh, actually there's the game manager I have. How am I getting that information? Because the game manager should be updating the info data. Game manager. Should be called like make a game manager or something. Make a level data. Instance, static instance. Okay, if that's the case, I won't just be able to add it to the awake. Just add level manager. Okay. So I'll just do a small patch. I don't want to do the whole thing this time. I'll do this. Do that. Level. Was it make a level manager? Like make a level manager. Make a level data. I'll do. Awake. Public static void load level manager. Okay, so I want to do this a bit nasty. Level data, make a spawn point. Level fix naming later. Add using Unity engine. No, it should be just using Unity object, shouldn't it? Transform to add component. Just game object add component? It's game object. Okay, so game object add component. Level manager. Oh, dot. What was it? It was. Level manager. Here we go. What was it? It was. Original? No, stock. It was starting gate. Is that a private? Of course it's a private, because then it just makes my life difficult. Okay. Transverse creates level manager. DNS spice. Darting gate set value transform. That one. No, that's not right. That's right. Wake, add that. Set that value. Yeah, I get. Oh, we'll see what happens. Can I edit this so it doesn't? I need to edit the configuration probably, which I'm too lazy to do. I don't want to delete from there. I want to delete from here. So I don't need all this. Tricky. I should probably just add a little script called cleanup and just cleans up all the junk it inserts. But whatever. Okay. I think I'm not sure of if Maker's going to load correctly, because I've had issues with this before. So I don't delete all of it? Oh, I left the debug stuff. Okay. Okay, so this should work fine, because it doesn't even get called. Yeah, okay, that one works fine. Oh, okay. That's loaded all the test stuff, okay. Okay, object reference not set to instance of object. Okay. Unity engine.add component. Oh, does it? It does awake first? What's in its awake? This one. Oh god, there's labels. Fuck. Oh, I was hoping there wasn't. Mm. What's this called at? Combo, that, okay. What about this one? I imagine the same deal. Analyze, read by, crashed, okay. It wants a canvas. Why would you do this? It wants to get animations. This is like stuff built into the scene. Oh god. Uh So even if it loads, there's gonna be no UI. Actually, I could check. The only thing I can hope for, because otherwise I'll have to go with my previous method, and I really don't want to. It's red, not assigned. Okay. Position label. Alright, load just part of, load just game objects from a scene unity. Am I gonna have to lose this? I don't want to have to load the other scene just to grab the UI and run. I'm probably gonna have to. I can recreate the UI, but I don't like that idea. I'm gonna have to. Okay. Alright, no sense in crying about it, though I really want to. Alright, so how many does this reference? It references 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm speaking to the dev. Because I don't think I can load the animation. Can I? Give me guidance. Could it be a prefab? He might have made it a prefab. If that's the case, this is where it starts to get painful doing this sort of stuff. Okay. No. Patch level manager wake public void testing. As game no wait, what is it? It's text mesh pro, isn't it? TMP as TM text mesh pro. Unity text mesh pro? What is it? Text mesh pro GUI. Oh, it's all not there. Oh, so I'd have to recreate the entire UI. I don't want to do that. Am I not calling the UI? No, so this isn't even gonna work. Add project reference. Browse. Go back. Take data. No. Managed. So I'm looking for Unity. Did I not have the right one? Unity.text mesh pro, so it should have let me. Oh, now it's doing it. Can I use as a call? Flight snap equals. Okay. That's. I don't want starting it either, but. I got no idea. What am I doing? What am I doing? I don't even know anymore. Player. Now, canvas scaler. That's a canvas scaler, isn't it? Label. That's what I want. Get the label. Temp dot parent dot transform dot parent deep dot log parent dot name. Yeah, that'll do for the moment. Even though I've made it hook into the proper functions, I might just have to go back to manually swapping all the things in, but there's so many more things to manage now. Oh, I could just grab the UI. I mean, that is an option. Just grab the entire UI and bolt. No, it's gotta be a prefab. you have a pre? What's the prefab? I'm trying to grab the prefab now. Kinda annoying to do. Gotta figure out where it is. Kinda annoying to do. Gotta figure out where it is. Yeah. Putting it on. Oh, I'm talking to the dev. Cause I got registering. Because I got it registering levels somewhat correctly. And patching it so it loads the asset bundle instead of a scene, but adding the level manager to this. Resources. Need default does this just list the resources in text? Hidden internal shader. Is this all Unity stuff? This is all Unity stuff. That's not gonna help me. No, streaming assets is all the other one. Resource. Is this one, isn't it? Yeah. Needs the UI, yeah. Alright, the dev might just put it under the UI under resources. Needs the UI. Well, I'm gonna. Alright, he might do that. I don't know. So what I'm gonna do instead is Tricky Maddness board replacer. I'm not gonna replace the board. I'm just gonna place the texture on the board. Okay, I'm just gonna patch boards because that'd be way easier than this. Okay, so what do I need to do for that? I made the new project. This one, board replacer, open. Two places. Okay. Alright. So, while Dev's doing that, I'm going to... just delete all this crap. It is done at load time. Okay. Okay, so if it's just done there, what I can do is really quick. It's like a 2-second job, really. It'd be able to plant snowboarder, wouldn't it? Characters test outfit 1. No, I'm looking at the board. Unless it comes part of the outfit, does it? Location, snowboarder instance. Snowboarder, menu manager, index. Respawn label. I think you can just do it in snowboarder. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it in the snowboarder function. Hook. Yeah, I'll just patch them all. Patch them all for the moment. Harmony. Dependency. Okay, so add the dependency. Solution. Browse. Assembly. Player? Is player a class? What is player? Because it says as. If this is player. What is player? Is it just a... There's no awake, is there? Yeah. No. Okay. Alright, what I'll do is I'll just patch it as part of the snowboarder. Snowboarder. Start. Original, prefix, postfix. Was that? I've been patching everything as a postfix rather than a prefix. If it's working fine. Public void load board. So what I reckon I want to do first is not do it there. Let's do it level. I think maybe the level manager would be better actually. Yeah. Level manager awake. Level manager. Because level manager has only one of it and it has that list of races, doesn't it? Does it not have the list of races? List of snowboarders are there. It's a private list, but it doesn't matter. Private lists only matter if you're crying. Temp level manager no, is there no instance? I swear, or is it a private static instance? Please don't be a private static instance. Really, no instance? Set active scene. Huh, no instance. Okay, that's fine. So what I can do from there is instead level manager, get the type of level manager, because there should only be one in each scene. Level manager, get. Is this snowboarders? What's it? Snowboarder. Okay. For all this. Yep. Temp.counts. Crap, I need to figure out where all this stuff is. Var temp object equals temp equals I dispatching the game now to have the thing. Temp object dot get component in children. Mesh renderer dot temp things, because I imagine it's probably just got the name board or something. If that's the case, I can just track it. So for temp things dot length components dot length debug dot log testing. Okay, I don't want to do testing. I want to do this. A dot game object dot name. Publish. Finish. Publish. Whatever, I'll leave it. Ooh, bunch of crashes. Invalid rapid method, level manager awake. Huh? Why am I getting a bunch of... Invalid code in level manager awake? What am I doing wrong? And type of level manager awake method load board. Oh. You need a different name. I forgot that. Otherwise it just throws some errors. Still throwing the error? Invalid IL code. What the fuck? Plugins. Did I do something I shouldn't? Place unknown compile error. What the fuck? Level hook board replacer loads and then it says unknown call. What am I doing wrong? Can I not call it awake? Not that one, this one. Equals new harmony, patch 1. Access level manager. awake. Load board. No, it's definitely this. When I was of a low level, what's it do? Nothing. Why is this such a bad error? What am I doing wrong? Okay, level hood. Let's look at level hood. What am I doing wrong? Private. I did something wrong. I fixed it, I think. Okay, it's not throwing the error anymore. Okay, so it didn't print out anything. Why? I don't need you, I need the other one. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Is that a play? Is that considered a player? I don't think it is. No. Okay. It doesn't have anything in it until start. I'm not getting anything back. Okay, I got the snowboarders and something called testing. Oh, that was me. Okay, so I'm getting the snowboarders back. That's something at least. Okay. How dare you? Nothing. Transverse creates snowboarder. Does snowboarder have any access to this? I don't even think it does. Is it mesh renderer then? It'd have to be. They're listed as snowball, unless it's part of the parent. Temp object transform parent dot gets Oh, wait. Not sent to instance of object. So it has to be part of that object. And then why is it... Is get components in children not recursive? I thought get components in children recursive. Refers. Retrieves all references on a specific game and the child of any of the game object. I don't think this is recursive. Okay, in that case... publish. Why? There's nothing there. What? Now I know there's something wrong with this. What's going on? Start. I'm doing it as a post patch. List, no orders. There's 5 children. That's what I thought. Get child equals dot name. Publish. Okay, okay. 1, 2, 3 character source, I think. Spinner landing character source. Okay. Gets what was it? It was transform dot get child. What was that? It was like 2, I think. I know the name of it, but what is... So there's no children attached to it? Get component mesh dot mesh mesh filter dot shared mesh equals null. Doesn't exist. Okay. That might be something I have to look into at some point. Alright, he's patched this. I'll just update it. Let's get rid of that for the moment. I want to see if I can just get the level manager loading. He said he put it under resources now, so let's have a look. DNS resources. Can see it. I can see it. Game? Game objects? Wait, how do I use resources again? I've completely forgotten. Load like that, yeah. Load, game object, yes. Yep. I need to instantiate it. Okay. That, and then the level manager object equals resources dot load. Apparently was this under slash game instantiates that, and then make the parent that. Dot transform. Look loaded, okay. I gotta fix this. I think it's probably because I'm calling something that I shouldn't be calling. The object you want to instantiate is null. Okay, so you put under game. No. don't need that. I don't need this. I do need this. This is just never gonna work. Do I have my Unity tools? Unity load assets. Well, what was recently modified? Cannot find. Games, search all. Game. Oh, he's just added it as. Oh, okay. I don't want that because it will definitely throw it out. Okay, I'm getting an offer, not set and late update. Okay, so let's have a look. Level manager. Late update. Crap, this could be anything. Instance. Oh, it's probably just the respawn gates. Because they don't exist. Yeah, what is it? Active scene, failed, invalid scene. Am I not adding it to the right scene? Does it fail twice or only once? Once. And then I think the rest of the errors just come from that. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Alright, I think I'm going to end it there for the moment, just because I've been working on this for like 2.5 hours now. And I got the scene loading, I got it probably patched into all the level loading functions. I just need to patch out a few other random bits and bobs. So in this case, it's probably nothing to do with the UI, with that continuous error, but I think it's more to do with the active scene not being set. But I need a break, so I'll look into that later.